be able to demonstrate that smoothly. I had 3 blinks. We don't want to change lanes through the intersection. Lifting my foot, I see the truck ahead. Now I'm squeezing my brake. I'm using the ball of my foot. This is threshold braking. Do not want to get rear-ended. I'm looking at the truck behind me. If you have a threshold braking, you need to check your mirror behind you. It's a car lane for every 10 miles an hour. So I see cars stopping and I'm trying to look ahead to see what's going on. I don't know what's going on, so I'm keeping space. I'm not panicking. Something's going on up here. So I'm keeping space. Not going to make a lane. Something's definitely going on. Okay, I'm going to get over. Something's happening up here. So I see a lot of traffic. People cutting over. Could be an animal. Could be an injury. I don't know. So I'm a little concerned. But this is real life. I don't want you to see this. So you need to keep space. Something is happening up here. We'll find out once we get here. So in that case, you want to use predict, decide, and act, PDA. See if there's a hazard up here. There's something going on. We want to decide. Are we going to go straight? Are we going to change lanes? Act. Reduce conflicts and moderate to dense traffic. This is very dense for a moment. I'm more relaxed because there's no one behind me. So I'm going to back off the gas and I'm really looking around. I'm going to get over one lane to the right. I feel more comfortable here so I can see more. It's just really heavy, dense traffic. A little scary for a moment. Sometimes the timers in these lights are off. Looks like they're off. We want to respond to traffic control devices. We do not want to run a light. That's automatic failure. We want to respond to motorized and non-motorized road users, people on bikes, scooters. We want to keep good speed and good space. Take our time. Kind of off the gas again. I'm not a tailgater, and I don't need you to be. It could be the police. It could be another situation. Just not sure. Normally, the speed here is 50 miles an hour. We're at 30. Something's definitely going on. It's a car lane for 10 miles an hour. I'm at about 4 car lanes. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. I'm at 4 car lanes. So we're about 40 miles an hour. We want to drive at a speed that is safe and reasonable for the conditions on the road. To be cautious but aware. We don't want to tailgate. We can only control what. There's nothing that we can do. Lifting my foot, squeezing my brake. A lot of people could be distracted, sightseeing. We just don't know. Squeezing my brake again. This black floor is tailgating this white Nala. So we got to back off. Yep, they're tailgating. Make a lane change to the middle lane. So now my field of vision has increased. I can see to the left, the middle, and the right. Cars just randomly cut over. I'm trying to be consistent. I'm not an erratic lane changer, nor do I want you to be. If we need to make a passing maneuver, we use our blinker. We're in the wolf pack of cars right now, so we want to be very predictable. Covering our brake, we're slowing down. And this is your typical rush hour traffic, but it's on the weekend. You can imagine during the week, we're responding to traffic control devices. They are from New York. Whether you're in New York or the Midwest, East Coast, West Coast, we want to be a defensive driver. We want to take our time, be patient. We're at about 40 and a 50 left. Thank you, that means a lot. I really appreciate that. I'm trying to give you good content, explain it. If you're taking your road test, if you like driving videos, cars, this is our RST. Hey E, how are you? Had a 9-hour day, so we're talking about the road skills, report card, secrets. I'm doing good, E. I'm retired. I'm so tired, E, but I'm gonna show you. I'm trying to hang in there and get home. It's been a long day. I've been driving since 7 this morning. The instructor, I drove 9 hours, so I had no breaks. Yes, I'm hoarse. You know my voice. E, you know my voice. You know I'm tired. But you know I'm usually high energy. My vocal cords are worn out. Not that I scream or anything. I'm just tired. This is real life. You see me putting in work. E knows this. E, we saw another car from New York. So yes, thank you for the thumbs up. So this is a 2-lane left-hand turn. It's very hot. It's been like 94 to 97 all day. I've been in this air conditioning car. Had to get out, take a break, get a double cheeseburger, get some chicken strips. They messed up on my order. I wanted a 4-piece chicken strip. They gave me a 4-piece chicken nugget. I don't eat chicken nuggets. I know, right? With honey. So I try to eat good. I'm going to show you this. E knows. E, I had my iced coffee. It's gone. I have my regular coffee. It's gone. Okay, here's my McDonald's bag. E, you already know, right? I'm trying to eat healthy. Hopefully I have a chicken, bacon, ranch salad at home. So we're up here. We got to make a right turn. You got to check if it's no turn on red, or can you make a turn? Go in the nearest lane. Any water? The water is gone. This is why I'm so dry.